Salaam, Salaam. This is Unity, and I'm here to tell y'all about a giveaway I got coming up. This is just a few things. This is not all the things that's going to be in the giveaway, just a few. So we got some folk art matte paints, we got some metallic paints, and we got some sugar metallics. We got some Carol's Daughter. We got a color purple tote bag with a mirror, notepad. Yeah, and this movie come out Christmas, so y'all check it out. I heard it's good. I could have went to the premiere that they had here, the early screening, but I didn't go. Got some goodies that I wanted to share with y'all with that, but it's also going to be some wood pieces, some stencils, some earrings, and some more little things. So y'all make sure that y'all put in the comments if y'all want to be a part of the giveaway. That's all you got to do, and I will do another video with the winners. So I will take all those names from this video and write them down, and I will do a live drawing in front of y'all. So that will be coming up next week. So I'm gonna make sure I get everything next week. So just look out for the winner. And it's gonna be more things. Like I said, it's gonna be more things added to the giveaway. It's just for one winner. And only thing you gotta do is be a subscriber to this channel and leave a beautiful comment. If you can tag someone that you think that will want to be a part of it, that will be good. But also don't forget to check out The Color Purple. It will be in theaters on Christmas Day. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right. Salaam, salaam.